Welcome to another video from program tutorial channel. In this video I want to solve the question number 4.29. The question is given, so asking to create a square of asterisks. So let's start it. Now first of all we need a integer value. Now we have some variables and row comma row is equals to 1 comma column equals to 1, and also we have another variable stars and stars equals to input dot next and now the question is asking that when the number is user size of the size the square display allow square of the size and of square. Your program should work for squares of all sides between 1 and 20. Otherwise it should not work. It should be between 1 and 20. So now we need here if stars is less than 1, then stars is equals to 1, else if stars is greater than 20, then stars equal to 20. Always it give you it makes the stars 1 or 20. It will not be another values except the 1 to 20. Now let's start the while loop. While row is equal less than or equal to stars, then we have nested while stars less than or equal to column now we have some functional execution. It is if row is equals to 1, then only we use print. Here we should have a static, then else if row is equal to stars static if and else if column is equal to 1, column equal to 1, then print star, else, if column is equal to star equal to stars, then print stars, else print only a space. Now we need to have an increment the value of column. And now here we need to have the next line, then column. Then we reinitialize the column because it starts from very first value. Column equals to 1, column equals to 1, and row plus plus. So let's check this out, the output of this program, even it's correct or not. So enter a number between 1 to 20. For example, I enter 12. There might be some problem. Let's see what is the problem. I think I have a problem over here. Column should be here and the stars should be here. So let's run it again. 12. That is correct. Now let's see how this program works. First of all, I am creating an output, then I initialize variables, row and columns, and I have an input from user. Then I am checking that input, even it is less than 1, then it should set to 1. If it is greater than 20, then it should be set to 20. So otherwise, if it is between 1 to 20, then the program will execute from here. For the first time, when the row is equals to 1, star is whatever between 1 to 20. So if now row is 1, row is less than stars, so the program will come here and check that column and stars. If the column is initialized 1 and the star is whatever between 1 to 20, so and this condition become true. When this condition comes true, then the row is equals 1. If the row is equals 1, it will print only 1 star. It will finish this loop and columns become 2. When the column is 2, then the star is whatever between 1 to 20. Now this condition comes false in the second loop, and now row is not equal to stars. Maybe if it is equal to stars, then it will print this value. Otherwise, it will print it will go to this part of the program. It will loops till the column comes equal to stars. When the columns come equal to stars, then it will exit from this loop and it comes here to print a next line and set the value of column equals 1 and row become 2. This will be the next line of this output. Let's see the output. For example, I enter 1 2 2. It's still 20. It's not other than 20. Now you see, you count here, it is 20 stars. This next line comes from here. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel to get my next videos. Thank you.